Between November 27 and 29, 2018, in Hong Kong, China, an international conference on human gene editing at the technology CRISPR was held. The discussion in that conference was, however, dominated by a study which described the birth of the world's first genetically engineered babies, aka CRISPR babies. The goal of the study seemed noble at first, and it was to protect the girls against HIV infections. The scientist behind the study is He Jianquai, and he's an associate professor at the Southern University of Science and Technology in nearby Shenzhen. The much controversial study altered the DNA of twin baby girls. They disrupted a gene called CCR5, which is often required for HIV to set up an infection in the body. Without it, HIV cannot infect our immune cells. He appeared in a special seminar during the conference to defend his study and answer some hard-hitting questions. He ended up withdrawing from the second session scheduled for the next day. Scientists and ethicists have almost universally condemned the study, calling it irresponsible and premature by exposing the girls to long-term risks associated with gene editing and in return, little if any medical benefit. A few scientists took a less aggressive view and called the reaction to this study extreme. One important opinion in the scientific community, I think, came from the CRISPR pioneer Feng Zhang of the Broad Institute in Cambridge, Massachusetts. He said, and I quote, "Given the current early state of genome editing technology, I am in favor of a moratorium on implantation of edited embryos until we have come up with a thoughtful set of safety requirements first." End of quote. Within this century, human beings will likely become capable of readily changing their genes to treat and prevent disease and modify traits like intelligence and even instincts like aggression. In an extreme situation, we can even create superhumans. However, and it's a big however, until safety, efficacy, and ethical issues are resolved, it would be irresponsible to proceed with any clinical use of germline editing. That is, editing which will be passed to the next generation. I'm talking about an ecosystem made up of the government, the public, private industry, and research teams who use applied research to produce innovative products to be used in a safe and ethical manner. But unfortunately, we're not there yet. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, so I'd greatly appreciate it, especially if you want to learn about medicine and science in a digestible style of presentation. Also, comment if you would like me to expand on what exactly other scientists were upset about in the CRISPR study, or any other video topics. Until then, peace.